Good afternoon, this is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. The market is closed and everything looks really good. There's a lot of big earnings coming up. I am waiting for Square, but there's a couple big ones that came out. I believe Roku just came out, and Roku beat earnings. Uber just came out. They actually lost 62 cents per quarter, which is better than the 65 cents loss that most analysts were expecting. I'm not a big fan of Uber, so I don't follow them. I'm waiting for Square. Okay, so hopefully this graph is drawn correctly. What I'm trying to do is show you the 4-day chart, and you see this. This is Monday of the trading week. This is one of the best weeks so far. And what I mean by that is the NASDAQ is in green here. NASDAQ is up about 8.8% so far, and the S&P 500 so far is up 7.4%. Now, if you're a stockholder, you will love this. If you're an options trader, depending on which side of the trade you're on, you may or may not love it. I play neutral strategies, and so I don't like it when markets move in either directions past one deviation. And so this is generally a bad week for me. So what I ended up doing was I took some risks off the table. I didn't care about the losses I took because I did make some money earlier this week and I made money last month. So what I'm doing was, in order to reduce some risk, I had some Apple credit spreads that were nearly in the money. I had a Visa credit spread, I had a Microsoft credit spread, and all of them were really bad. So I took losses on those, and some of those losses were big, $500, $600, $700 each. Now, if I did nothing and the market continues to go up, I would have lost more. And let me show you what I mean. If you look at Visa real quick, look at the move for Visa. If you look at the 5 days, so this is ridiculous. Look at this. It was in the 180s. It covered $20 move, right? And if you only look at Monday, it was 185. So no matter how you look at this, there's a lot of risk if you're an options trader. And here's the 5-day for Microsoft. You see the same thing. It was 200 on Friday. And look at this, 200 on a Monday. And then look at that today at 223. Again, big move up. Apple, it's about the same. You see that? It was about 108, 107 on Monday. And it closed today at 119. So you see another huge move up. So here's the transaction of some of the activities I did today. Again, I don't put these into my spreadsheet until tomorrow, but you can see what happened. I closed Microsoft. MetLife was fine. You see that I was closing it because I won. I got all the time value out of it. But you see, Apple I lost. S&PY was really bad. Square was earnings is today, but I closed it. I didn't want more risk. You see that at 185, 200, $15 credit spread. So anyway, these spreads cost me a lot of money, right? I'm on the hook for, like this one, I'm on the hook for 1,000 max loss. This one, I was on the hook for $500 max loss. And S&P, the same thing, right? So sometimes it's cheaper for me to just take the loss. What I did was, these are iron condors, so I left the other side, the untested side, open. Those I can normally let decay on their own, generally speaking, or I'll close it for a few bucks. And then what I normally do is wait a few days and then create a new iron condor. We are waiting for Square earning. Okay, this is just out. I see it at 4:15. Square beats earnings by 18 cents. Here you go. Here's the screenshot. Shares are up. I see it on after hours. It's up about $9. So I'm glad I actually closed out my credit spread, or my call credit spread, on Square. Again, I would be in trouble tomorrow morning, and I would pay maybe another $100 or $200 more per my contract. So again, be careful out there as an option trader, right? You can still lose if you're playing a neutral strategy, because today or this week has been one of those weeks where it could have went really bad on the downside, and obviously it went really well on the upside. But if you're playing a neutral strategy, this could be a bad week for you. So make sure you manage your positions and make sure you do what's right. Remember, the goal is to always make $1, right? Making money, making profits, great. You do this $1 at a time, and over time you're going to have a million. It's not rocket science. It just takes, you gather little at a time. You know, the Bible even says, "Ye who gathers little by little makes it grow," and that's what I believe in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch me do more trading and tips on how to win with money. Have a good day. Bye-bye.